The difference between a Japanese car that dies at 150,000 miles and one that reaches 500,000 is almost never the engine. It's the small things drivers ignore, delay, or get completely misinformed about. These are the 10 maintenance habits that actually get cars to 500,000 miles. And the first one? That's where most people get misled. Number 1, stop blindly following long oil change intervals. Most owners' manuals suggest oil changes every 7,000 to 10,000 miles. That number isn't just about engine health, it's about making the car look cheaper to own on paper. But if you look at high-mileage engines that go the distance, they follow a different rule. Around 5,000 miles per oil change, consistently, with quality oil and a good filter. Engines that last aren't lucky, they're protected from long-term wear. Stretching oil changes might save money short-term, but over time it builds sludge and internal damage you don't see until it's too late. Number 2, change your transmission fluid regularly. Lifetime transmission fluid sounds great, but it doesn't mean what you think. It usually means lasts through the warranty period. After that, the wear is your problem. Transmission fluid breaks down from heat and friction. If it's never changed, it loses its ability to protect internal components. A simple drain and refill every 30,000 to 50,000 miles keeps things smooth and prevents early failure. And avoid aggressive flushes on high-mileage cars. Gentle maintenance is safer. Neglect this, and you're looking at one of the most expensive repairs on your car. Number 3, maintain your cooling system properly. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it becomes acidic and starts damaging internal components. A coolant service roughly every 50,000 miles helps prevent overheating and internal corrosion. Here's the key detail many high-mileage owners follow. Replace small, inexpensive cooling components during service intervals instead of waiting for them to fail. Because overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy an otherwise healthy engine. Number 4, know your timing system. Every engine has either a timing belt or a timing chain. Chains usually last much longer. Belts require scheduled replacement. If a timing belt fails, the engine can suffer catastrophic damage instantly, especially on interference engines. Understanding what your engine uses and servicing it on time can mean the difference between a simple maintenance job and a full engine replacement. Number 5, replace brake fluid periodically. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. That moisture reduces braking performance and can cause internal corrosion in the braking system. A flush every 2 to 3 years keeps the system reliable and prevents expensive component failures. It's one of the most overlooked maintenance items because problems don't show up until they're serious. Number 6, avoid running your fuel tank too low. Driving on near empty isn't just inconvenient, it puts stress on the fuel system. Sediment naturally settles at the bottom of the tank over time. Running low increases the chance of pulling that debris into the system. It also reduces cooling for the fuel pump, which relies on fuel to regulate temperature. Keeping your tank above a quarter is a simple habit that helps extend fuel system life. If you're getting value from this already, hit subscribe bottom and like the video. Number 7, be gentle during the first few minutes of driving. Cold starts are when most engine wear happens. Oil hasn't fully circulated and internal components are under higher stress. Instead of aggressive driving right away, let the engine run briefly. Then drive gently for the first few minutes. This reduces wear dramatically over time. Also, long idling to warm up isn't necessary for modern engines. Smooth driving is better. Number 8, protect your car from rust if you live in harsh climates. If you live in areas with road salt, rust becomes a serious threat. Even a well-maintained car can fail structurally if corrosion takes over. Regular underbody protection, cleaning, and addressing paint damage early can prevent long-term structural issues. Ignoring rust doesn't just affect appearance, it can end a car's life early. Number 9, use the correct fluids for your vehicle. Not all fluids are the same, especially for transmissions. Using the exact specification recommended for your car ensures proper operation and long-term reliability. Generic alternatives may work short-term, but over time they can lead to shifting issues and internal wear. For engine oil, focus on the correct specification and quality. For sensitive systems, using the right fluid matters more than people think. Number 10, fix small problems immediately. This is the habit that separates average cars from 500,000-mile cars. Minor issues don't stay minor. A small problem left alone turns into a major repair. A simple sensor issue can affect engine performance. A small leak can lead to overheating. A minor noise can signal early component failure. High-mileage owners don't wait. They address problems early, when they're still easy and affordable to fix. The real difference. Cars that reach extreme mileage aren't built differently. They're maintained differently. Consistent habits, small fixes, and attention to detail. That's what keeps them running long after others fail. If you want your car to last as long as possible, start applying even a few of these habits. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to see the biggest mistakes drivers make that shorten their car's lifespan, check out the next video.